The board also noted that all magistrates who
After hearing and vetting 39 magistrates who were in office when the new constitution came into force, the board charged with determining their suitability was back with a verdict for 28 of the 39, putting into consideration, amongst other things, their work ethic, delivery of justice and diligence. 3 of them did not make the cut.
The board finds his conduct inexcusable.
Wilkinson, Njagi, who has been serving at the Narok Law Courts, Walter Ndolo from Bungoma, and Margaret Gitonga were found unsuitable to continue serving as judicial officers. For Wilkinson, Njagi, his main undoing were the 2 complaints that the vetting board received against him. In one, the complainant accused the magistrate of sentencing him to a term longer than is stipulated by law, but it is his failure to intervene and rectify the error that the board took issue with.
The board finds the conduct of the judge in the handling of this matter totally unprofessional, unbecoming, and falling far below par. The image of the judiciary has been tainted by such conduct.
Based on judgments he made, Walter Ndolo, who joined the judiciary in 1989, was found to possess poor writing skills and lacking in legal judgment. The magistrate was also facing complaints of engaging in corrupt dealings during delivery of judgments, one where the magistrate is accused of giving a lighter sentence to a suspect accused of defiling a minor after receiving a bribe.
The board finds his conduct inexcusable and unanimously determines that he is not suitable to serve as a judicial officer.
Margaret Gitonga, who was serving in Thika, failed to show up for vetting, despite advice from the board. The board had received complaints against her where the Thika Bar Association accused her of failing in her duties by consistently absenting herself from court, which in essence slowed down her cases. From the complaints, the board concluded that her conduct was deplorable, forcing the lawyers in Thika to seek the intervention of the Chief Justice. For those who passed the test, however, the board has recommended training to improve the style and manner of writing judgments, which they found lacking. The board is expected to next week give determination of 8 applications made in review of the judges found unsuitable, as well as those magistrates promoted as High Court judges. Of concern to them, however, is the fact that they are operating with lean numbers, with the 3 foreign judges required to sit on the board having gone back to their respective countries and is now forced to wait for the commencement of the 11th Parliament for the new members to be approved. Esther Kahumbi, Citizen Live at 9.